Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the DJI Mavic Mini DIY Creative Kit. So the DIY Creative Kit allows you to customize your Mavic Mini either with a pre-made skin, a pre-made template, or a completely blank skin. The DIY Creative Kit really allows you to make the Mavic Mini your own drone and personalize it to your desired look. So what you get in the box is 6 dry and wet cleaning wipes to ensure the surface of your Mavic Mini is clean. You also get 5 colored markers to draw onto the skins with. And then here are the skins, so you get 2 blank with a design on it, 1 with the design fully colored in, pre-made for you. And then you also get 3 blanks where you can design anything on, and these also allow you to put designs on the arms of the drone. Now to apply the skin to the drone. So you're obviously first going to want to use the wet cleaning wipe to clean any of the fingerprint marks and any other dirt you have on the drone. And then once you've done that, you're going to want to take it with the dry wipe to get rid of any excess liquid or moisture you have left on the surface of the drone. Once that is done, you can slowly peel the skin away from the backing, and then I started from the back, slowly made my way to the front. As I was making my way to the front, I was slowly pushed down, ensuring there were no air bubbles and the surface was flat. Now the first time I actually applied this, I did put it a bit too far back, so every time you open the battery door, it would flick the skin up just a little bit. So ensure there's enough room by that battery door. And it's that easy. So there you go, that's what it looks like. You're now fully customized Mavic Mini. And for a bit of fun, I also decided to make the DroneDJ logo on one of the blank skins, and it actually turned out pretty well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.